change his behavior. So I disagree with remission day. So the second reason is when the government create and decide the remission day for prisoner is, I think he have political policeman. Kebijakan.
Policy. That's what I want. Policy.
Policy.
Not
Yes.
policeman. Policy. Yeah, it's okay. Keep going.
Yes.
Yeah,
You know,
legal, man. You know what?
he make it because the political policy. Yeah, the political. When he like the person, the prisoner, some prisoner, he give permission for them. But the half of or the part the else not give remission like that. Like Antasari Azhar, give remission, so give remission, so not give justice for the people in Indonesia. So he just make strategy to increase his political effect about him, and give remission only for people have effect to human, not justice, not have balance, keadilan. So the third reason why I disagree with the remission day, the law must to straighten, harus ditegakkan. Yeah. But when the prisoner show his goodness and gradually, and the what is the law, the prosecutor look his environment to be goodness people, to be good people. Yes, I recommend for him to give remission because he changed his behavior. So I agree with remission, but not make and design remission day, but only remission because something, not because the day. Yes, only that's all.
That's all. All right.